Hi everybody! Today we're going to learn how to add another user to your QuickBooks Online. It's very important for you to know what level of subscription you have with QuickBooks Online because it only has a limited number of users. So let's say that you want to give access to one of your employees, and the person you want to give access to is the one that creates invoices for clients and sends them and enters customer payments. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the gear icon and then click on Manage Users. Under Users, you're going to click on Add User. So here's one example of what I was telling you about. So under this sample company's plan, they can only have 5 billable users, if you can see it right here. So if you have a lower subscription, it'll tell you you can only have 1 or you can only have 2. In this particular one, you can only have 5. And then click Add User. So since you only want that person to have access to customers, you're only going to click on Standard User and click Next. And then you can click on Limited Customers. You're going to have a list of things that they can have access to or things that they can do with QuickBooks Online. And if you scroll down, you'll see what they don't have access to. So on this top list right here, basically they're just telling you that they can do anything with the customer's accounts. And by that I mean they can enter invoices, send the invoices to customers, like I said before, enter customer payments. They can create statements and send it to customers. They can look at the registers and products and reports of what the customer has bought before or what they owe. They can change the sales tax under the invoices that they're creating and everything related to that specifically. So if you scroll down right here, they don't have access to any bills that you receive from vendors. They don't have access to the inventory. They can't add, delete, or edit any products that you have on inventory. They can't see any transactions or bank balances. They can't see the tax history or file sales tax return for you or set up multi-currencies. So now that you know what they have access to and what they don't, you can click Next. And then we can see we don't want that person to add, edit, or remove any users. We don't want that person to edit company information. And we don't want this user to manage the subscription. So in any case that this person wants to create a class or something that you don't have an option because of your level of subscription, usually when you try to select it, it tells you, well, if you want this, you should upgrade to the next level. So this person would not have that question, and it would just be easier to manage it, because if they click yes, that means that your price per month is going to increase. So let's try to keep it as only customers transactions. And we're going to click Next. And here's the contact information from your employee. I highly recommend that you use the email from the company that this person uses in case you change employees. You don't have to do the whole thing again. And once you do this, you click Save, and that's it. So if you have any questions, you want to send us any messages, you can go to johnsonaccountancy.com. Thank you. Have a good day.